Guide to Achieving 4,000 Watch Hours on your YouTube channel. Watch full to understand logic. One, channel setup and branding basics. Define your niche and audience. Create consistent branding. Design a memorable channel banner, logo, icon, and color scheme that reflects your channel style. Use professional cover images. Feature a high-quality photo. Optimize your channel name and description. If possible, include a travel keyword. For example, adventure with Amy, Southeast Asia travel vlogs. So it's clear and SEO friendly. Ideal video length and upload frequency. Focus on engaging storytelling, not arbitrary length. There's no one-size-fits-all, perfect length. Often enjoy longer, cinematic videos 1.0 to 0 minutes, as long as the content stays compelling. Aim for at least 10 minutes. If your content can hold interest, this lets watch hours accumulate. Hook viewers immediately. The first 10 to 15 seconds are crucial. Preview an exciting moment or clearly state what the video will cover to prevent early drop-off. Upload regularly and consistently. Set a realistic schedule. For example, 1 video per week or every 2 weeks, and stick to it. Time your uploads smartly. Check YouTube Analytics. Gives audience to see when your subscribers are most active. Maintain quality over quantity. It's better to post one well-edited, value-packed video than several rushed ones. High watch time comes from great content, not frequent low-effort clips. YouTube SEO for your channels. Titles, descriptions, tags, thumbnails. Keyword-rich titles. Craft titles that clearly state the place and format. For example, 48 Hours in Rome. Ultimate Italy Travel Guide. Use numbers or hooks. 24 Hours in City, $100 Day in Destination. Eye-catching thumbnails use bright, high-contrast images, showing a person, you, and a recognizable landmark or scene. Keep text minimal. A popular formula is one human plus one place plus one promise. Strategies to boost audience, retention, and session time. Hook viewers from the start. The first 10 to 15 seconds must grab attention. Each strategy is supported by up-to-date expert guidelines and examples.